क्रिश्चियंस मूवमेंट ऑफ इंडिया जंतर मंतर पर हैं और कह रहे हैं कि जो कोख में जो बच्चों की हत्या हो जाती है, भ्रूण हत्या हो जाती है, उससे बहुत कुछ समाज पर फर्क पड़ रहा है और आने वाली आबादी पर भी फर्क पड़ रहा है। ये कह रहे हैं कि इसको रोका जाना चाहिए और ये जो इलीगल एक्टिविटी है, जो किसी भी जीव की हत्या करना ठीक नहीं है, वो भी कोख में। इसके साथ साथ ये बहुत सारी चीज़ों पर सवाल उठा रहे हैं। जिस तरह से होमोसेक्सुअलिटी है उस पर बात कर रहे हैं, लेस्बियन उस पर बात कर रहे हैं, कह रहे हैं ये सब चीज़ें समाज में जो कहते हैं जो सही नहीं है, जिसकी वजह से ये सब कुछ हो रहा है, उस विषय पे बात करेंगे। हमारे साथ सनी जी हैं, सनी सेबेस्टियन। सनी जी, you are coming from Kerala,
Yeah.
most of it. What kind of problems arise there?
In Kerala, what we have seen is more than 10 to 20 lakhs of youths can't get their partners because all over situation, the girl child number is less. So we have, when we go according to the statistics, every 1,000 boys have only 956, 57 girls.
But Kerala, in Kerala, we think Kerala have a good ratio of women. No,
No, according to the child birth ratio, it is less. It is less means.
but it is better than the whole country, na?
No, more than 20 lakhs boys are standing without marrying.
Okay.
They can't get partners. That's a big issue there.
What is the reason why? What is the reason why? What are the causes behind this?
Causes is, see, when you go for, see, the families, you know, they all had opted for,
इधर देख यार.
they have all opted for, they have all opted for boys. So, in majority of, in Kerala, families have boys only.
Okay.
So the ratio is out of when 1,000 boys have been born, only 958 girls have been born. So that difference
You are saying that the people are selecting boys
mostly.
mostly. That's why the ratio
Yes,
is down. What are other reasons?
Other reasons, the other reasons for we are sitting here is for family planning. That has also brought down our youth rates. Youths are less. Now we are compelled to import in the sense from other states. More than 30 to 40 lakhs of youths are working there. So what happens, when you have less youth, when the demand rise, the cost of human resource goes up. So that inflates the cost of everything. So the produce cost also goes up. That is what is happening now. So it's very expensive there in Kerala to live.
People are saying that marriage is a good institution.
Yes.
But some, homosexuality or such kind of things are there.
Yeah, it is.
What kind of things and what do you want to say?
It is spoiling the fabric of family, the system which was being created by God. We believe that was being created by God.
Family is the strong system of
that
the society.
institution. See, slowly the fabric has been, getting corrupted because all these.
Why boys and girls are moving in such kind of things?
See, there have been mostly. See, they're more on, they're looking at Europe and they're looking at America and all.
Okay.
So
they
so
forget their culture.
Their culture. And the Western culture is coming in.
They influence the Western culture.
Yes.
So
We have a very good culture. Indian culture is the best one.
you are saying LGBT community is growing in Kerala?
Yes,
Huh.
it's growing. Growing in the sense, 99% of families that doesn't like, this LGBT community in the sense, the way of conduct, the unnatural ways they doing.
This is the main cause of the birth control. You
It's
can say
one of the cause.
one of the cause.
The main cause is we introduced Garbhapat. That is in 1971, made it into a law. The mother can kill their children.
But there is a certain period, if the child is maybe 6 months or 7 months.
No, you are not supposed to kill even an ant. Even an ant, you are not supposed to kill. Then how can, see, last day, what the Supreme Court told on dogs, the manners of dogs, we are behind them. We are supporting the dogs, we are not supporting human beings. That is what is happening now.
बहुत गहरी बात कह रहे हैं कि जिस तरीके से गर्भपात किया जा रहा है, क्योंकि इंसान को किसी को मारने का हक नहीं है। जब गर्भपात होता है तो जनसंख्या अपने आप कम होती है, और वो जनसंख्या और सारे कारणों से भी कम होती है, लेकिन गर्भपात उसमें मेजर कॉज बताया है। उसके साथ साथ ये बता रहे हैं कि इस तरीके से LGBT कम्युनिटी, जो वेस्टर्न कल्चर है, उससे इन्फ्लुएंस हो रहे हैं लोग, और LGBT कम्युनिटी बढ़ रही है, जिससे भी परिवार को नुकसान हो रहा है। परिवार की कल्चर, जो परिवार का जो कहते हैं ना एक इकाई है, सबसे छोटी इकाई है समाज की, उसको ही नष्ट भ्रष्ट किया जा रहा है, और पूरे समाज पर खतरा आ गया है। और कह रहे हैं कि ह्यूमन रिसोर्स को बाहर से लाना पड़ रहा है, इसलिए भी बहुत सारी दिक्कतें। और क्या क्या दिक्कत है?
See, India, it's the strongest country in the terms of human resources. Now, if you go on like this, after 5-10 years, you will not see youths in Indian population, all old people.
बट हमने ऐसा सुना है that the Kerala have the Kerala's girls are very good in nursing, so they go to outside. That's why some ratio will.
No. See, the family, the whole of India, the family is already got depleted.
Okay.
From 5, 6, 8 children to 1 and 2. Okay.
Okay.
So it is going to affect everywhere. Within 5-10 years.
But the government is saying हम दो हमारे दो.
See,
Two.
it is just because they don't know the value of human resources.
Okay. You are saying the population is good.
Sure. Now China and Russia. You just last month I went through a news from Russia that they are asking the students in the school who are studying in the school to have babies.
Okay.
And they are going to support the babies, paying them more than 1 lakh rupees per child.
You are saying the policy, one child policy was breakdown in China.
China finished, China within 5-10 years, China is nothing. India is going to be number one.
Number one, because they don't have youth. They all are older.
Old people.
Old country, old people country, just like Japan.
Aged country. Even in Europe you go, there's no children. You go to Japan, no children.
No children.
You go to China,
It's a big
Russia.
problem, na?
That is, see, now India can face. Just educate our youths. Then we'll come into the forefront.
You are saying it's a red signal to India?
Yes.
Just awake?
Awake. Yes,
Awake
yes,
and
yes.
take the appropriate steps?
Yes. Sure.
ओके, साफ कह रहे हैं कि भारत को जग जाना चाहिए। जो दुनिया की बाहर की कल्चर थी कि भाई हम दो हमारे दो, या एक बच्चा पैदा करो, उससे अब पूरी दुनिया भुगत रही है। और बुड्ढों का देश हो गया है, चाइना भी हो गया है, जापान भी हो गया है, यूरोप भी हो गया है। और ह्यूमन रिसोर्स की वैल्यू समझनी चाहिए इंसान को। लोग आजकल वैसे ही फैमिली प्लानिंग कर रहे हैं, और एक बच्चा भी पैदा करने से लोग डर रहे हैं, और लोग रेस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी लेने से हट रहे हैं। इसके साथ साथ LGBT कम्युनिटी भी बढ़ रही है। तो समाज के जो है ना, समाज का जो पहली इकाई होती है परिवार, वो टूटती जा रही है, और उसे बचाने के लिए ये लोग आए हैं। और कह रहे हैं धर्म भी इसकी इजाज़त देता है, धर्म भी इसको सपोर्ट करता है। एज ए रिलीजियस पर्सन, religion, is there any support from the religion, your agenda, because you are all
No, the whole universal Christian religion supports anti-abortion, anti-family planning, and anti-homosex. Help all the
But the people are saying that it's a scientific, there is no unnatural in LGBT community. They are saying that science is saying that it is natural. Some people are just such kind of
the same science says that you kill your child in your in the child's mother's womb. The same science says
science
that.
is not saying that you do this, but the people can take the advantage of science. And
One thing I'll tell you, see, you can do science. With science, you can bring many things.
Good and bad.
Good things are there. Mostly everything are good things. But you can't help the market with science.
ओके
द मार्केट आपको कुछ बेचना चाहिए तो लेने के लिए पीपल शुड बी देयर नो.
साफ 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 कह रहे हैं कि बाजारीकरण नहीं होना चाहिए, अगर मैं हिंदी में बोलूं तो. साइंस का उपयोग इसलिए नहीं कि कुछ भी बेचने के लिए कर दें, क्योंकि बहुत सारी चीज़ें वैल्यूज़ हैं जो बेची नहीं जा सकती, जिनकी कोई कीमत नहीं लगाई जा सकती. परिवार भी वो एक वैल्यू होता है, तो एक
Yes.
और उसको प्रोटेक्ट करना है.
Main thing I like to speak is, see, the whole world economy is slowing down because there's no birth rate is going down, no?
But they are saying that we can
No,
make robots.
no. How can the robots buy?
Artificial intelligence.
Only human being can pay price and buy. Pay price. So
Okay.
see, if I come to the bazaar with my products, if there is human being, one who consumes, they can only buy. They pay and buy.
Humans should be there, na?
Then what? And it should be youth
If the market should there, then the humans should be there.
there.
Otherwise, you can't do with robots.
So otherwise, what will happen after 5-10 years? There will be a big war for,
Big
say,
boss.
market economic warfare will be there.
Yes.
Now what America has done to us? See, it's a part of economic war, you know.
साफ साफ कह रहे हैं कि ये दुनिया जिस तरह से चल रही है, अगर हम पुराने मूल्यों पर नहीं लौटे, हमने परिवार की महत्व नहीं समझा, तो कहीं ऐसा ना हो जाए कि पूरी दुनिया में एक लड़ाई छिड़ जाए और एक जंग छिड़ जाए. और जिसके आसार देख भी रहे हैं, अभी रसिया यूक्रेन की लड़ाई, सब जगह लड़ाइयाँ चल रही हैं, और कहीं ना कहीं हम अपने जो मूल्य हैं वो भूलते जा रहे हैं. और ह्यूमन रिसोर्स बहुत ज़रूरी है. आप तो ऐसे हथियार बन गए कि एक सेकंड में लाखों करोड़ों लोगों को मारा जा सकता है. ऐसे ऐसे एटम बम और बड़े बड़े बम बन गए हैं. तो सब चीज़ विनाश के हथियार मानव ने इकट्ठे कर लिए हैं. लेकिन जो प्रकृति का है, जो उत्पत्ति का है, जो प्रोड्यूस करने वाली बात है, जो जन्म देने वाली बात है, उसको अगर आप लोग नहीं प्रोटेक्ट करोगे, क्योंकि डार्विन का भी सिद्धांत है, या मैंने सुना था कि ईश्वर ने आपको मतलब पैदा करने के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा क्षमता दिया है. करोड्स ऑफ स्पर्म्स आर देयर, और मतलब प्रकृति, नेचर विल think that life should be protected.
Yes, the life should be protected. Not only that, there are two causes. One is when you look into the whole economy, the most thing GDP. See, GDP comes when the buyers are there. GDP grows effect when buyers are there. Service GDP.
It's a chain reaction. You are saying it's a chain reaction.
And service GDP, if children come and ask the teacher, then only the teacher is used. You know, teacher
Useless.
is, otherwise teacher is useless.
Useless.
Okay.
तो साफ साफ कह रहे हैं कि इंसान ही ग्राहक है और इंसान ही बेचता है. अगर इंसान ही नहीं होगा तो कौन खरीदेगा? सब चीज़ें, सर्विस इंडस्ट्रीज भी बेकार हो जाएगी. कह रहे हैं टीचर, जिसको कहते हैं आप अध्यापक, गुरु, अगर सब रोबोट ही हो जाएंगे तो कौन गुरु और कौन चेला? कहने में बड़ा ही अच्छा लगता है और बड़ा सही लगता है, और मुझे लगता है इस पर गहन चिंतन होना चाहिए कि हम कहाँ से चले थे और कहाँ पहुँच गए. साइंस ने हमें तरक्की के लिए साइंस हमने ईजाद की थी, कहीं ऐसा तो नहीं कि हम पतन की ओर जा रहे हैं. You are coming here.
My name is Shaji. I'm coming from Bangalore. I'm an activist. I use art for activism. No words. There are many subjects which are beyond the words. Say, for example, abortion. It has got many layers to communicate than any words. So I use art. People come, and how I look at and somebody else look at is going to be different.
What
And
kind of art you have?
I use mixed media, but it should communicate strongly. The medium is what kind of art is not the role, but the message is going through. That is
It's
how
a
I
big-
look into. That's how I look.
Do you have some play cards? Can you show what kind of message you are putting
I
forward?
will take randomly. Like, see, I'm talking a subject about abortion, where we need. See, if you look into China, once upon a time, China was penalizing people for having an extra baby. But 2 months back, they reversed they are giving incentive. They are giving around 1.5 lakhs to anyone who is producing one child. So the world need more population. Look at what is happening in Japan. The population is no desire, no children. So India was always big because of a population. We have the highest youth population, highest child population. But now with our micro families, all these patterns are disrupting. So look at this natural way of the natural way is to breed more children, and that is the way the natural way is. But certain medias or whatever channels they are taking it in different way and not motivating much into have more children. I will take another one. Let me see which one is that I picked up. This started with MPT Act, which happened in 1971, where abortion has become legal. And can you just imagine how many children has gone down the drain? We are all very, 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 very lucky. So we need more children. We are only praying if government should at least look into the intensity of what is happening. There is an elephant in the room. We all need more children because it is going to affect the economy. Consumers will be less and we will be paying more tax, and the workforce will be coming down and the demand is less. So this is going to impact. So this act is what we are working more, how we can revive back. You're putting a small dot, please look into having one child. And so this also shows this is a nice movie, but the movie house, if there is very little audience, then the movie will not run properly. Next time the producer will think there is no audience, then why should I spend more money? And it will impact the whole ecosystem, even the technicians, the actors, and so on. The same way with the government and our country also. If the consumers are less, the entire economic system will come down. So all I'm highlighting the need of more children, multiply it, and the more children we have, the system will support by itself. Thank you. The next one, let me see which I picked up. This is about the cruelty. Many of them who goes for, if you look into Google, Auntie will tell you which is the nearest place. It has become like another bus stop. So they don't know what is really happening. Look at the crude way of forceps going inside and literally pulling the baby. They cut it, chop it, and literally suck it using some vacuum cleaner kind of thing, and they force it out. And the trauma, the pain, and the after effects of this, it reduces the productivity of the human.
Very cruel.
Very, very, very cruel. No human being don't want to kill another one, but they don't know what is really happening there. They advertise it's only 2 minutes ka kaam hai, but it is not like that. That takes.
Next one.
So after the life, they have to live with so much of sadness, guilt, and it impacts the whole society. It's a natural way. We are getting a baby. Human beings are never able to produce even a strand of hair like that quality. So we are thinking we are trying to control no. It's a natural way we follow, and the grace.
Would you like to say in Malayalam some message?
Message in Malayalam, abortion. Since the MPT Act 1971 തുടങ്ങി അത് ഓപ്പൺ ചെയ്തതാണ് ലീഗൽ ആയിട്ട് അബോർഷൻ ചെയ്യാമെന്നുള്ളത്. അതിനെ പറ്റിയിട്ട് ഇമ്പാക്റ്റ് മനസ്സിലാക്കി ആ സ്ട്രെങ്ത്തിൽ നമ്മൾ വോയിസ് ഔട്ട് ചെയ്യണില്ല. ആൻഡ് ഇറ്റ് ഈസ് ഗോയിങ് ടു ആൻഡ് ദി ഇംപ്ലിക്കേഷൻ ഇസ് ഗോയിങ് ടു ബി ഇൻ എ ബിഗ് വേ. ഇറ്റ് ഇസ് ഗോയിങ് ടു അത് നമ്മുടെ എക്കോസിസ്റ്റത്തിനെ മുഴുവനും ബാധിക്കുന്നതാണ്. സ്കൂളുകളിൽ കുട്ടികൾ കുറയും, ജോലിക്ക് ആൾക്കാർ കുറയും. അപ്പോൾ അങ്ങനെ അതിൻ്റെ പ്രശ്നങ്ങൾ വളരെ ദീർഘദൃഷ്ടിയിൽ കണ്ടാൽ അത് നല്ലതാണ്. അത് ഞങ്ങൾ സാധാരണക്കാർക്ക് മനസ്സിലാക്കാൻ ശ്രമിപ്പിക്കണം. അത് അവരൊക്കെ ഉയർത്തെഴുന്നേറ്റ് ഇതിനു വേണ്ടി ശബ്ദമുയർത്തി ഗവൺമെൻറ് ഓൾസോ അതിന് വേണ്ടിയിട്ട് ഒരു തുറവി ഉണ്ടാവണം എന്നുള്ള ചെറിയ ഒരു ആഗ്രഹം. അപ്പോൾ അതിന് ഇത്രയും വഴി ബാംഗ്ലൂരിൽ നിന്നൊക്കെ ഇവിടെ വന്ന് ഞങ്ങളൊരു ചെറിയ ഞങ്ങൾക്ക് ശബ്ദം പോലും ഇല്ല. ഈ പടങ്ങൾ വിൽ സ്പീക്ക്. थैंक यू.
क्या नाम है आपका? और
मेरा नाम जोसेफ है. मैं दिल्ली में रहता हूँ 20-25 साल से. मैं ये इस मूवमेंट को सपोर्ट करता हूँ क्योंकि अबॉर्शन हर तरीके अकॉर्डिंग टू एनी रिलीजन इट इज़ रॉन्ग. बिकॉज अकॉर्डिंग टू आवर हमारा भारतीय संस्कृति के अनुसार ये अबॉर्शन बहुत बड़ा पाप है. क्योंकि आपने देखा है ये अभिमन्यु's वाइफ was aborted by Ashwatthama, Drona's son, with his Brahmastra. So the Lord Krishna give punishment that he has to roam entire till the end of the world. This is you have heard.
हाँ, I know that.
You know the story, no?
Even अश्वत्थामा अभी भी जिंदा है वो.
Yeah, अभी भी जिंदा है.
और वो
यह दुनिया में घूमते रहता है.
सजा भुगत
वो सजा है. So according to हमारा भारतीय संस्कृति के अनुसार ये बहुत बड़ा पाप है. हम हिंदू भाई हो, क्रिश्चियन हो, ईसाई हो, हिंदू हो और मुसलमान हो, कोई भी हो,
पेट में हत्या नहीं करनी चाहिए.
हत्या नहीं करना चाहिए. ये क्यों हम लोग अभी बीजेपी गवर्नमेंट है इस बात को फोकस करके आगे बढ़ाना चाहिए. अबॉर्शन बंद करना चाहिए. वेदर इट इज ए 1 day child or 9 month child is a child, it has a life.
उसको राइट है, राइट
उसका राइट है, it has the right to live. वो राइट टू लिव को
जिंदा रहने का
अधिकार देना चाहिए. That is a one of the fundamental right. So according to हमारा भारतीय संस्कृति में ये बहुत बड़ा पाप है, करना नहीं चाहिए.
ओके.